attempting to vlog at circle, which is insane because there are so many people here, but I'm still going to try. Anyway, I just closed from work. I left work a little early today. I'm going to get my nails done. My nails look dead, like very bad. So I'm going to see if I can get them done. Yeah, so I see you at the nail place.
Always be Christmas in my heart.
Oh my god, I think I forgot my underwear in his car last week. What if his dad finds them?
Damn, maybe you should ask him to get them back. Or wait, isn't his dad the headmaster at school? Oh my god.
I'm the cool kid from the pocket. I'm the one calling all the shots. Whether you're ready or not, I'm but two panty drop. Go left, go right, working up my appetite. No fork, no knife, having dinner with my eyes. So sweet, so nice, have a slice of apple pie. Wanna see my mind, baby, you just join my ride. Getting ready for the weekend, popping bubbles through the ceiling. Sure, I got dough, but don't need it, 'cause all I want is your healing. Your healing. I'm the cool kid from the block. I'm the one calling all the shots. Whether you're ready or not, I'm about to pump this place up. I'm the cool kid from the block. I'm the one calling all the shots. Whether you're ready or not, I'm about to panty drop.
So I just finished with my nails, but I have to get like my pedi done. They look cute. I'll show you later on. They're like really cute Christmas nails. But I have to get a pedi and I also have to get a facial. And I haven't eaten all day, so I'm stopping at ShopRite. I'm going to ShopRite to find like a quick snack, and then I'll go back and get a pedi and get a facial. The decor is not doing the most, but it's not bad. All these tailors. Anywho, yeah. Yes, hot food. Yes, this is exactly what I'm looking for. Oh my god, it looks like the food is... Oh my god, the food is done. There's no food. This is sad. So I wanted some meat, but this is all I got. Like, there's literally no food. So I also got some, what are these called? Chelsea buns. So I'll just snack on these. So I came around and I'm taking this one, because pretty much everything is gone, and it's not even 8 o'clock. It's very crazy. So I got something. I actually got a lot of stuff, and it was just like 27 or 28 cedis. I'm back to finish my self-care, whatever we're calling this vlog.
Waking up in my bed, you're still stuck in my head. I'm not even hungover. I wanna call your phone, tell you what you did wrong, then ask you to come over. Not very good with decisions, know what's right, but I don't listen. I don't. And I complain and dismiss it, then I keep on reminiscing. I know. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad for business. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad for business. Baby, you're bad for business. Not good with consequence. I found myself back again, crying on your shoulder. No, it's not good for me, but I still want your body. So dumb.
I said I don't understand how and why it takes forever to get your nails done. Let me increase the brightness. Look at the time. It's literally 10:30. Wild. I think this is where I'll end the vlog for today. I will see you guys tomorrow. Now I just have to get home, get some rest, and make it to work tomorrow. So I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.